So it actually looks like if this tire was full, it would actually be pretty much the same size. So height-wise, you're doing pretty good.
Oh, it's not even that much different, actually. Huh, how was height? Yeah. That might actually fit. Let's see.
This will be fun getting it on all this stuff.
Oh, yeah, I didn't think about that. Oh, that is super close. Imagine that actually works. That actually looks pretty cool. It does go higher too. Got the old one off. Here's the size. It's quite a bit wider. See if it'll work. Well, almost got it on, just the hardest last section now. Yeah, I think it should work. All right, tires on, air filled up, no leaks. Looks like it's actually gonna fit. This is gonna be nuts. Well, it works. That is just the sound of the tire hitting the chain guide ever so slightly. Or the chain guard. Now I just have to balance it. I'm also just gonna bend this thing a little bit, just a little bit out of the way, so it starts making that noise, and then, oh yeah. Just got that chain guard all sorted out. Doesn't rub anymore. I just use some heat to bend it slightly out of the way, so it doesn't rub. And we got no rubbage at all anywhere here. All right, so ride first impressions. It's way better on gravel, like a million times better. It's not even close. So much more stable, doesn't want to go wherever it wants. Turning is a little weird, but it's definitely not as bad as people make it out to be. Although turning while accelerating when I was passing vehicles, that is kind of questionable. So I'll have to practice that. It kind of wants to wobble side to side. So just, yeah, don't pin it too hard sort of thing. And yeah, I'm gonna do some more riding and give my final thoughts later.